Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix a locked account on Uber Eats. So what we want to do is just open up our web browser and we will search for Uber Eats deactivation. Now you want to select the first article that pops up here, understanding why drivers and delivery people can lose access to their accounts. Now what's important is that we scroll down nearly all the way until we see this section. Uber's customer support team can always be contacted for help. As you can see, it's underlined, so if we click on it, this is going to refer us to the Uber website. So other account issue, and if we are locked or our account is locked, we will select I cannot sign in. Now if you cannot go online, obviously you'll select this option as well. You can toggle both of these. And have you signed up more than once? If so, please list any email addresses you may have used. So you will just write your email address here, assuming you have not signed up more than once. List of all emails associated with current and previous Uber accounts. Again, try to write only one email address here. List of all phone numbers. Try to write only one phone number. Of course, assuming you don't have multiple, same goes for the email addresses. What city or state are you trying to drive in? Here you will just write your city and address. What vehicle model, so what vehicle are you driving? Obviously you supply them with this information as well. What trip type are you trying to receive requests for? And here we will do Uber Eats. Sorry, I cannot type. Okay, just like that. Please share any additional information regarding your issue. So we will explain that our Uber Eats account is locked here in this field, and we can also attach a picture. And then we will select chat with us and supply all of the information in this next field. And hopefully Uber Eats customer support will be able to assist you with unlocking your account. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.